Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create a landing page that drives more sales. I'm Laura Bean and I've written loads of landing pages for my clients. So here are my top tips on what to include in your long form landing pages. Before we get started, I like to get the mind warmed up with a riddle. So today's riddle is, what has many words but doesn't speak? I'll leave you to think on that and I'll tell you the answer at the end. A landing page is a critical element of a digital marketing campaign. If you want to generate leads and convert visitors into customers, there are certain elements you need to include on your landing page. Understanding the anatomy of a long form landing page is going to help you write a more effective page. So here are the essential elements that you need to include. First and foremost, your landing page needs to have a strong, eye-catching headline. This needs to quickly tell the person what it is you're offering and why it benefits them. Next, you need to include a subheading. This should be brief and easy to understand and elaborate on the value proposition of what you're offering. Next, you need an eye-catching hero image or a video. This should visually represent what you're offering and engage your visitors. A good video or photo is going to dramatically improve your conversion rate. Now you need a really clear call to action. This should be a button that tells the audience what they need to do next. This could be to download the resource you're offering, or to buy your product, or sign up for a subscription. Make it really clear what you want them to do and how to do it. Call to action should be throughout the long form landing page. So this isn't the only time you need to show it. Next, you need to write some copy that highlights the pain points and the challenges that your audience are facing. What's led them to the page in the first place? This is your chance to show you understand their problem and that you have the solution. Next, you want to list the benefits of what you have to offer. This is the opportunity to highlight the reasons why they should take you up on this, what life will be like after you've solved the problem that they're facing. Explaining to visitors the benefits they'll receive from your offer is really going to help convert them. Next, you want to list the features of what they're actually going to get. So this is the details of your offer. You should include what it features and how it works. This helps them understand your offer better and gives them a clear expectation about what they're going to get. My next point is social proof. This is testimonials and reviews of people that have already experienced what you have to offer. This is a great way of building trust with your new audience because you've proven that you've already provided the solution for other people. Social proof is a really powerful tool that's going to dramatically improve your conversion rates. Next, we want a clear and reassuring guarantee. This removes the risk. If they're hesitant about taking action, this is going to help to reassure them. This can be especially powerful if you're asking for money at this point. A guarantee that reassures them they'll get their money back if what you're selling isn't what they expect can really help break down those barriers and build more trust. Okay, this one's an important one. If you're selling something, make sure you state the price. Be transparent. Don't try to hide it because this is where you lose their trust. At this point on the landing page, we've already done a lot to build trust with them. We've shown them the benefits of buying your product. We've told them how it works, we've given them a guarantee, and we've provided social proof so they know that this has worked for other people. So don't try and hide it. Tell them the price, be clear, be honest, and it will also stop them feeling frustrated if they can't find it on your page. Okay, now we're near the end of the page. You want to include the FAQs, the frequently asked questions. Think about what people have asked you in the past. Think about all the reasons someone wouldn't buy from you. What we want to do here is answer those questions so we eliminate the barriers that could be stopping them from making a purchase or taking an action. So make sure you write down as many FAQs as you can think of and provide the answers on the page. Okay, lastly, I'm going to mention this one again. It's call to action. As I said at the beginning, you want this to come throughout the page. At no point should they be wondering what to do next. You need to tell them, make it really clear and make it really easy. It could be fill this form out. It could be buy now. It could be enter your details to learn more. Whatever your action is for that page, make sure it's clear and easy to do. Okay, I really hope that helps. Follow that process and you should write some really effective landing pages. Okay, before we wrap up, I asked you a riddle at the beginning of this video. The riddle was, what has many words but never speaks? Okay, the answer is a book. Yeah, I know, groan. I'm sure that one made you roll your eyes. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'll be producing more videos like this to help you with your copywriting. If you have any questions or want me to cover something more specific in the future, just drop a comment below. Thanks again, and remember, every word counts. See you next time.